Hello guys, Naomi here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be making a trouser pattern, a pocket pattern, and also a fly zipper. Please pardon my voice. I'm under the weather. So yeah, let's just get into the video already. Alright? Yeah, okay. Make sure you're seated properly. This determines how your crotch is gonna be like. So make sure you're seated properly and comfortably. First thing to do is to make your waistline. That's where you'll be starting all your measurements from. Just make sure to label everything so you won't forget. So now I'm taking my vertical measurement, your waist to full length. That will be where your ankle is. I actually added more pattern paper because it wasn't long enough. Now you take your waist to hip line, your waist to crotch line, your waist to knee, and of course your waist to ankle. Don't also forget to make your side line like 1 inch in, so because you'll be adding your seam allowance and you need space for that. Don't forget to label. So yeah, I'm just writing the inches I took there. Like from my waist to hip line was 9 inches, so I'm just writing it out. I'm just showing you guys how I got the lines because I thought it was recording but it wasn't, so I had to like redo it and everything. So your tie line is 3 inches below your crotch depth. So now we are squaring the pattern using our hip measurement divided by 4 plus 1 inch ease. It depends. If you want it very fitted at the hip part, you don't have to add the 1 inch ease. So you square it using your hip measurement divided by 4 all the way to the ankle. This is very important for our pattern. You want the perfect crotch, so on your waist go in by 1/2 inch and join it to the hip line. So you start measuring from your center front towards the side. You measure your waist measurement you have calculated earlier, and you use your hip curve to join it to the hip line. So you put like a star on the crotch line because you'll be extending your crotch front from that star. That's where you insert the front extension for your crotch. So you can either connect using your armhole curve or your hand, really. Now when we need to make the grain line, it is very important. So you divide your hip measurements by 2 and then you make the grain line all the way to the down like I'm doing in the video. You divide your knee and ankle measurement by 2 and distribute it equally on the grain line like I'm doing in the video. Then you connect your point using your hip curve. So you connect your knee to your crotch depth line and also to your ankle. From your waistline, you come down by half an inch, that's 0.25, because our waist is not straight. For that, you take 4 inches as the length and half an inch in for the wideness of the dada. Now you take half an inch all the way around for your seam allowance, but then take 2 inches down on your ankle. For a better fold, it's nice like that. So you're literally done with the front pattern. So let's go to the back. So the back has to be 1 inch bigger than the front. So you're going to add half an inch on the side before tracing out the whole pattern, like I'm doing. I'll go ahead and trace the other side without adding any allowance. You need the lines, so use your tracing wheel to trace the lines. And also the grain lines, very important. I'll go ahead and remove the pattern and fill out the tiny gaps. So now I'm just tracing out the lines. Now on your waist, go up by 2 inches because of the bump and connect it to the side. So you start taking all your measurements from the sides, your waist and then your hips. Your back pattern, you also need that star, because from that star, that's where you take your back crotch extension. Before you take your back crotch extension, you go down by half an inch. Reason being that your back crotch is lower than your front crotch. So from that star, you mark your back crotch extension and then you connect it to the waist. Now for your back dart, you divide your waist measurement by 2. Make a point, go down by 4 inch and go in on sides by half an inch. Meanwhile, it's not going to be straight, it's going to be slanted. Before you connect the crotch line to the ankle and knee, take half an inch on both the ankle and the knee. Then you go ahead to connect. Now go ahead and add half an inch on all sides. If you have gotten to this point and you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you. There you have it, your back pattern is ready, so go ahead and cut it out. Cut. An extension for my zipper fly because I didn't really mean to do a zipper fly, but I said okay, let me just show you guys how to do it. I'm just tracing out where the crotch line stops so I'll know where to start taking my measurement from. For your zipper fly, you take 1.5 inches. For that curve you normally see on the zipper fly, so you go down from your hip line by 1 inch and make a curve using your armhole curve. This is how it should look like. Then you go ahead and add half inch seam allowance. So now you're going to remove the waistband. I'm removing 2 inches right there. Added half an inch for seam allowance. You don't have to add any more half an inch. You're going to close up your dart so you can draw out your waistband. I'm measuring 2 inches for my waistband. You go ahead and add half an inch all the way around, except from your center front because it will be on fold. Repeat the same thing for the back waistband as well. So I'm trying to eliminate the darts from there because I don't want darts. So measure whatever you get there, you minus it from your waist measurement from the side, like I'm doing in the video. You also repeat the same thing for the back. On the side, go in by 2 inches and go down by 6 inches. Then you connect it using your armhole curve. So from the curved pocket, make sure you put your hand to see if it fits, or you put your phone, and then whatever inches it gives you there, then go ahead and put it there. There I'm using 5 inches. You're going to use a tracing wheel to trace it out on another paper. You're going to trace out the pocket and also the pocket bag. Or is it the pocket facing? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up for me. That will make me know if you like the video or not. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time on my video. Bye.